Hello again, everyone. I have a job order here, and this is for Yokohama, Kanagawa. This job is a factory work. The job description for this is molding for trucks and construction machinery. So this is a machine operator. This is for full-time job. The salary for this is from 220,000 yen to 270,000 yen, and for this job you are allowed to have overtime for at least 30 hours a month, so that would be extra money for you also if you are interested for this. And the working hours for this is shifting. The daily Japanese will be conversational Japanese. So if you are interested for this job, please comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 036 206 8058. We conduct job fair interview in our main office in Kanda Station. That is from Monday to Sunday. So you can also join our interview schedule for different jobs. So if you are interested, please let us know. Comment down below. Thank you very much.